Hi, what's up? My name is Erica Jane and let's take a quick recap. I'll flash a question on the screen and let's see if you can answer this in 3, 2, 1. Parvovirus is a common cause of plague in sows and boars. What is a porcine parvovirus disease? Let me tell you what is a porcine parvovirus disease. PPV, also known as porcine parvovirus. This virus was first recognized as the member of the Parvoviridae family and causative agents of SMEDI syndrome, SMEDI also known as stillbirths, mummification, embryonic death, and infertility. It can also cause reproductive failure in naive dams. It is characterized by the occurrence of large numbers of mummified fetuses, an increase in the number of returns to estrus, small litters, and failures to farrow, and etc. So the answer, parvovirus is a common cause of reproductive failure or SMEDI in sows and boars.